In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change required light on a 2018 Ford Focus. So just change the oil, and I'm going to take the key, turn that to not that the engine's running, but to the first point basically where you turn on the electronic system without starting the engine. Then I'm going to hold down the accelerator there. Okay, and I'm hitting in addition to holding the accelerator down, I'm hitting the brake as well. You can see it says service oil reset in progress. Okay, there we go, it's reset. And now if I turn the car back to off, the ignition off, turn it back on, you'll see it restarts. Well, the trunk's still ajar. And that was because the trunk is ajar, but you can see that the oil reset has been taken care of. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.